Good day, everybody. Well, I have super awesome, wonderful, amazing news. Patience is a virtue. And, well, I already knew that, but yes, I just want to report that my insurance company has approved more physical therapy visits. So, apparently they're just doing it at a trickle, you know. I have, I believe, 4 more sessions coming my way. So yes, I just wanted to let you know that the PT train is back on track. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will keep you posted. And I hope you all have a wonderful day.